It's been a long time since we've heard anything about Ripple's lawsuit against the SEC. In today's video, we'll go over the most recent updates and explain why we believe XRP isn't about to take over the world. While there are numerous theories about cryptocurrency, which one is correct? What makes you think they are true? Keep an eye out for answers to all of these questions. But first, at the end of the month, we'll give away 25 XRP coins to one lucky subscriber to help them continue their XRP journey. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comments section about your thoughts on XRP. Greetings, XRP crew! Let's help the XRP channel grow by liking and subscribing to it. XRP has undergone some significant changes that could make it one of the best cryptocurrencies on the market. This could be the point at which the cryptocurrency's price begins to deviate from the expected margin. The XRP updates will also be critical in ensuring that the cryptocurrency's community remains active and hopeful by the time the lawsuit is resolved. The lawsuit filed by the SEC against Ripple, allegedly, for selling unregistered securities, is one of the major reasons why we started seeing a drop in prices and why the growth of XRP suddenly became stagnant. This claim was quickly refuted by Ripple, XRP parent company, who stated that XRP is not a security and is more likely a digital currency or cryptocurrency, and thus cannot be covered by the SEC orders and regulations. They responded by claiming that, given the long-term hype, prices will undoubtedly continue to rise at a much faster rate. Another event that has occurred in the market is when Jeremy Hogan, the unofficial head of legal affairs for the XRP army, stated that the current period for XRP is a hell week. In fact, he claims that this is particularly relevant to Ripple and the SEC as they work through the case. He also believes that, because things have been moving so quickly, we will be able to see the end of the fact-finding phase by the end of August. This will undoubtedly be welcome news to a large number of people. The end of this phase will signal that the case is almost over, as the judge will have learned everything she needs to know about SEC and Ripple. XRP has overcome all of the resistances it has faced in the last week. The rapid rise in prices can be attributed to a number of factors that may have had a direct or indirect impact on the coin's performance. One of the most recent highs was over $1.35, after which prices dropped slightly. Prices had dropped even lower to $1.26 as of August 22, 2021. In a very short time, the prices had taken hold of the support levels. The prices were a little inconsistent, indicating the market's potential for volatility. The prices appear to be bullish, and there is a good chance that we will see them rise to higher levels in no time. The best thing that could happen to XRP is if the lawsuit against the SEC results in positive news. This will aid in propelling the price of the cryptocurrency to new heights as a large number of investors flock to XRP to share in the profits. As the SEC grip on the case appears to be slipping away, they've been making desperate attempts to pull themselves out of the quagmire. SEC appears to be attempting to obtain terabytes of Slack messages from Ripple. Despite having provided the SEC with millions of records, it appears that the SEC has requested more information to work with. As a reaction to this step, Ripple came up with the idea of asking the SEC to produce their own internal memos. While all of this is going on in court, the phase of discovering the truth has recently become quite adventurous. Ripple has already amassed over 11 million documents, amounting to nearly 10 terabytes of data in total. They may even be able to provide over 165,000 for inspection. For a long time, the SEC has been looking for a loophole that may or may not exist. The new legislation that Congress may soon pass for American citizens is one of the major benefits that Ripple has to its end. This will be extremely beneficial to XRP because it clearly distinguishes between what may or may not be security and what may or may not be a cryptocurrency. According to the definitions used, the case will be dismissed immediately, causing prices to skyrocket in a matter of days. As we previously stated, it appears that the SEC is gradually losing control of this case. As a result, they abruptly changed their strategy, which was yet another major move demonstrating their desperation to change the fate of XRP. Surprisingly, however, this has not been the case with XRP. Even as the lawsuit progressed, the price of XRP remained relatively stable with few inconsistencies. Despite the fact that growth has been limited, it has progressed at a slow and steady rate. For many people, considering XRP to be security makes no sense because hundreds of similar concepts continue to operate without any action from the SEC. The introduction of an entirely new argument resulted in a significant shift in strategy. Since the beginning of the case, The SEC has maintained that XRP is a digital security, not a cryptocurrency. However, as the claim began to falter, they took a more technical stance. The allegations now appear to be directed at Ripple's marketing team, who are seeking specific Slack communication within the company. They now appear to be investigating how XRP was advertised when it was first introduced to potential investors. The SEC is now attempting to establish whether XRP was sold in order to make it appear to be a security. The SEC had nowhere else to go with the previous argument, so this was another well-thought-out move. Regardless of the SEC shift in stance, it appears that the case is still going in Ripple's favor. This is yet another positive sign for Ripple and its investors. People have been expecting big things from cryptocurrency in recent days, as signs of a favorable outcome in the Ripple vs. SEC case have emerged. The market began to experience strong sentimental drives, which resulted in a recent uptick. Another XRP-related development is the energy web. The goal of the energy web is to use blockchain to harness the power of low-carbon, customer-centric electricity systems. This will be accomplished by allowing the customer's energy asset to participate in any energy market. This novel technology could have a significant impact on XRP. The goal is to cut carbon emissions, which have been out of control for quite some time. Given XRP efficiency, we believe there is a good chance that it will play a significant role in this change. So that was the covert collaboration with the altcoin EWT. For a company like Ripple, which has been performing exceptionally well and gaining a large number of collaborations with various institutions, the chances are that they will continue to progress for a long time. One of their greatest assets is the technology they employ. This will be enough to make a significant difference in the market. Another significant advantage they have is the environmental efficiency of their systems. Given the fact that the world is becoming more environmentally conscious by the day, this is one of the most important features that could ever be required. As more people get involved in the world of cryptocurrencies, including Warren Buffett, who has previously called Bitcoin rat poison, the concept appears to be catching on with a large number of people all over the world. We'd like to learn more about you before we get to the end of this video. Do you invest in XRP? If so, what do you think the price will be? Please let us know in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about XRP, click here. If you want about it, if you earned here, or say here, look like on the final screen, there are 2 more videos for you to watch. Please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices fluctuate frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. You should not treat any of the content in this video as investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice. The information in this video is provided solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Before making any investment decisions, do your own due diligence and consult with your financial advisor.